In this video, I will show you how you can add money to your PayPal account with your credit card. As you know, there is no direct method that PayPal allow people to add payment through their credit card. But there is an indirect method that you can use and send money to your PayPal account from your credit card. So what's that method? The method is you have to send request at your own email address and then open that link and pay with your credit card. In this way, their money, credit card money will be added to your PayPal account. So for that, open your PayPal account. On top, click send and request. Then go to request section. When you go to request section, here and type your email name. Here type your email address, your own email address. But that email address must should not be attached with your PayPal account. Now here enter your email address, then here enter your amount, how much amount you want to add into your PayPal account, and simply click on send request. Now your request has been sent from PayPal. Now simply open your email address, click on payment and pay with your credit card. In this way, the money will be added to your PayPal account. So this is the indirect method that you can add money to your PayPal account with your credit card.